Hi, boys and girls. Our math for Monday. Well, I'll be upfront and honest with you. Math is going to be challenging this week. I tried to do lots of examples. The first page is done, or the first lesson is done in different colors. But and I'm going through on IXL to show you how to do this. Some of this, it's the first time I'm ever teaching it, but it just shows you different ways to be able to multiply. And what you can do is choose the way that works best for you. If the area models work great for you, awesome. If what we're doing today, the partial product, works great for you, great. The other ways that we're going to learn this week are block multiplication and lattice multiplication. I don't know if any of you have experience with those, but I am going through problems. So please pay attention, take notes, do the best that you can. That's all I ever ask. Remember, if you're struggling with it, just take, work for 20 minutes, maybe half an hour, set it aside and work on a different skill. Come back to it later. If you're really struggling with it, ask mom and dad to try to help you too. Okay? So let me flip to my papers. Oh. Oh, I don't want to go there. So I will move my paper. Okay? So I did different colors. And unfortunately, I forgot to grab those pens, so I'm going to be just using this color, okay? So, order to multiply. You do, on this one, they're having you do the 50. Remember, that's 50 times 90. So 5 times 9 is 45, and you put the 2 zeros behind it. There's our 4,500. Then they want 50 times 6. So 5 times 6 is 30. And we have a zero, extra zero there. So 6/50 is 300. Now we can add these. They did the 1 times 90 is 90, and the 1 times 6. So 1 times 90, 1 times 6. Because remember, this is really 90 plus 6, and this is really 50 plus 1. Okay, so you're doing 1 times 90 and then 1 times 6. So here we go. 0, 0, 0 plus 6 is 6. 0 plus 9 is 9. 8 plus 3 is, 5 plus 3 is 8. And then 4. And we would put a comma right there. Okay? So remember, this is really 60 plus 7, 40 plus 1. So that's where I got the 40 from. That's where I got the 60 from, the 7 and the 1. Okay? So we start with 40 times 60. 4 times 6 is 24, and we add 2 zeros. Then we go to 40 times 7. So take this one first and go straight up and then to the side. 4 times 7 is 28, and then we add 1 0. Okay, now I have 1 times 60. That's easy, that's just 60. Okay, so we put the 60 in here. And then they did the 1 times 7 equals 7. Okay, so 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 7 is 7. 0 plus 8 plus 6 is 14. We carry our 1. 1 plus 4 plus 2 is 7. And then we have our 2 there. Okay? Again, if you just think of this as decomposed, 30 plus 5, 60 plus 2. There's my 30, there's my 60, there's my 30 again, my 2, and my 5. 6 times 3 is 18. We have 1 0, 2 zeros, so we put 2 zeros behind there. 6 times 5 is 30, and we add a 0. Now we have 2 times 3 is 6, and we add a 0 behind it, and then 2 times 5 is 10. So we put our 60 here, and we add. That's 0, 7, 8 plus 3 is 11, so I carry this. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay? So we've got 10 times 80. So 1 times 8 is 8. And then we add 2 zeros because there's 2 tens. 10 times 5 is 50. 1 times 80 is 80. And 1 times 5 is 5. So we put in our 800 here. And we add these. We get a 5, 13. 1 plus 9, or 1 plus 8 is 9. Okay, let's do another page. Okay, so we have 80 times 50, 80 times 1, 8 times 50, 8 times 1. Okay, so 8 times 5 is 40. And there's 1 0, 2 zeros. 1 0, 2 zeros. So we put 4,000 here. And we add this. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 is 8. 0 plus 8 plus 0 is 8. 0 plus 4 is 4. And then we bring down our 4. 4,488. Okay? All right, we break this up. This is 90 plus 5, 10 plus 8. So here's my 10s in that color. Here's my 90s in the black, my 5s in the purple, and my 8s in the orange. Okay, so they did 10 times 90 is 900. 10 times 5. You know what 5 tens are. That's 50. So we'll put 50 in here. And they already have 8 times 90 is 720, and 8 times 5 is 40. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 2 plus 4 is 11. We carry our 1. Okay. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 7 is 17. Okay? 2 more problems, then we'll look at IXL. We break it up like this. We only have to do this. 8 times 9, 72. Whoops. So if you need, please, you know I'm not going to get mad if you use your multiplication chart. I forgot to fill in some of these, so we will have to do this. 50 times 30 is 1,500. Okay, 5 times 9 is 45. And then 1 0 behind it. And then this is 240. And then we have 72. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2. 5 plus 4 plus 7 is 16. Carry the 1. 1 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2. This is 10. Plus 2 would be 12. Carry your 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay? And then finally, here they break this up. 44 is the same as 40 plus 4. So there's my 2 40s. There are my 2 4s. 45 is the same as 40 plus 5. So that's the 2 40s for that. This is the 2 40s for that one. Here's my 5 and my 4s. Okay, so we have to do 5 times 4 is 20. And if we put the 20 here and add it up, 0, 8, 6 plus 1 plus 2 is 9, and then 1. Okay, so now we're going to look at IXL. So they did the 2 times 4. They went straight up. Now we have to do this. 2 times 7, or 20. That's really 20 times 7. So 2 times 7 is 14, and we add a 0. If it helps to do this on a piece of paper, go ahead and do that. Whoop, I got to finish this. Okay, now I'm going down here. So this is, remember, 20 times 7. So do the 2 times 7, get your 14, and put the 0 behind it. So now, I don't know if it'll let me go over here. Okay, I'm going to add this up on my paper, okay? 800 plus 140 plus 240 plus 42. 2, 3 fours is 12. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I get 1,222. Hopefully I added correctly. Yes. Okay, so remember, these are the first two numbers we're multiplying. 80 times 40, so do the 8 times 4, you get 32, and then you have to put 2 zeros behind it. Oh, I know that's not done. Sorry, guys. Okay, so I'll write this down on my paper. 3,200 plus 120 plus 320 plus 12. 5, 6. So I get 3,652. Okay, that's what you're doing. Now they multiplied the 8 is 70 times 80. They multiplied 70 times 6 and got 420. They did the 1 times 80 and got 80. And now 1 times 6 is 6. Oh, sorry, guys. So if I add this up on my paper, 5,600 plus 420 plus 80 plus 6, 10, 11, okay, I get 6,106. Okay, that's how you do this, boys and girls. I hope that you understand this better than you did last time. If you're struggling, let me know. Let mom or dad know. Maybe they can help you. Go to IXL D34. Okay, IXL Math D34. Have a great day.